Hey guys, are you want to buy best semi-modular? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best semi-modular that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at EVGA Semi-Modular, the EVGA 750 GQ power supply delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and value for both gaming and professional PC builds. Featuring an active clamp plus DC-to-DC design, it ensures highly efficient and stable power delivery across all components. With its 80+ Gold certification, the unit achieves up to 90 efficiency on 115V and 92 on 220 to 240V under typical loads, minimizing energy waste and heat output. The 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan operates quietly while maintaining excellent cooling performance, extending the PSU's lifespan. Its semi-modular design helps reduce cable clutter and improves airflow inside the case, making installation cleaner and easier. Built with heavy-duty protection features, including OVP, UVP, OCP, OPP, SCP, and OTP, it safeguards your system from voltage fluctuations and short circuits. Compact, efficient, and dependable, the EVGA 750 GQ is a solid choice for users seeking premium power delivery without breaking the budget. Now our second product is Be Quiet. Semi-modular, the Be Quiet 1200W power supply sets a new standard for performance, efficiency, and silence. With its 80+ Gold certification, it delivers up to 93 efficiency, reducing energy waste, heat output, and long-term operating costs. Designed for the future, it supports ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, featuring a 12V-2x6600W connector and 4 PCIe 6+2 connectors, perfect for powering next-gen GPUs and high-end gaming rigs. Offering 1200W of continuous, stable power with dual 12V rails, it easily handles transient spikes up to 2000W, ensuring rock-solid reliability even under extreme loads. The 120mm Be Quiet fan delivers near-silent cooling with temperature-based speed control, maintaining a quiet environment for gamers and professionals alike. Plus, its fully modular design allows for a clean, organized build with improved airflow and easy installation. In short, this PSU combines cutting-edge efficiency, whisper-quiet performance, and future-ready power delivery for serious PC enthusiasts. Our third product is Be Quiet Semi-modular, the Be Quiet Pure Power 13M750W is an outstanding power supply that combines cutting-edge performance with whisper-quiet efficiency. Boasting 80+ Gold certification and ATX 3.1 compliance, it's fully equipped for both current and next-generation GPUs, featuring a native 12V-2x6 PCIe 5.1 connector and 4 PCIe 6+2 pin cables for maximum compatibility. With a single powerful 12V rail, it delivers 750W of continuous power and easily handles short power spikes up to double its rating, ideal for high-end gaming or overclocked setups. The semi-passive 120mm fan stays completely silent under light loads and activates only when needed, maintaining a peaceful environment. Built with LLC technology, it ensures excellent voltage stability and efficiency for smooth, reliable performance. Plus, the fully modular design offers clean cable management, better airflow, and reduced clutter. In short, the Pure Power 13M750W is a perfect blend of power, silence, and future-ready design. Now number 4, GameMax Semi-Modular. The fully power 1300W Platinum power supply is a powerhouse built for performance, stability, and style. With its 80+ Platinum certification, it achieves up to 92 efficiency, minimizing energy waste and heat generation even under heavy loads. Designed with DC-DC structure and full bridge LLC resonance technology, it ensures ultra-stable and safe power delivery to protect your components. This PSU is ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready, featuring a 12V HPWR16-pin connector that delivers up to 600W for the latest high-end GPUs, making it perfect for gaming rigs and workstations. It can handle 2x total power and 3x GPU power excursions, offering exceptional reliability during intense performance spikes. The fully modular flat black cables keep your build clean and optimized for airflow. Adding a touch of flair, its smart ARGB lighting with Aura Sync offers 25 customizable modes, syncing seamlessly with your system for a stunning visual finish. And our last choice is GameMax Semi-Modular. The 750W80 plus Gold certified power supply delivers both performance and efficiency, achieving 90 or higher power efficiency under typical loads, reducing energy waste and heat while maximizing system performance. Designed for the future, it's ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready, supporting up to 200 total and 300 GPU power excursions, ensuring flawless compatibility with NVIDIA 40 series GPUs. Note: 12 VHPWR cable not included. Built with 100 Japanese capacitors, it guarantees long-term reliability, stable output, and durability, backed by a 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. The fully modular design keeps cables tidy and airflow unobstructed, making installation clean and efficient. Its 140mm whisper quiet fan delivers outstanding cooling performance with minimal noise, ideal for quiet environments. Adding style to function, the ARGB sync lighting system lets you customize vibrant illumination effects that sync seamlessly with your motherboard, giving your gaming setup both power and personality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.